Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain SUMIF function. Okay, let us understand what is SUMIF function. SUMIF function adds all numbers in a range of cell based on one criteria. Okay, so this is the important thing here is to understand it is based on one criteria. So let us understand how it works. Suppose I have this table wherein there is certain region, units and amount. So we have region wise units and their respective amounts. Now here we have to find the sum of west region. We have to find the total sale amount of west region. How we can find it? Let's apply the SUMIF function. SUMIFs. Here there are three components. First one is range, second one is criteria, and the third one is sum range. So first one is criteria range. Okay, my first criteria is, first condition here is we have to find the sum of west region. So west region is my condition here. So condition, criteria, range, first I have to select. First one is range, criteria range. This is criteria range. Okay, so my criteria range in this region, and what is the criteria in that? Criteria is west. Okay, now then sum range. This is my sum range, and just closing the bracket. So just enter. So here I got that result. So what was the formula of this SUMIF function? This was the formula. What I did, I took the criteria range first. Criteria range is based on my condition. So what type of condition you require? Here I require west region, so I took the criteria range, this one first. Then my condition was west region, so then I selected west as a region. Then sum as a total sum range. This is how I got the result of west region sale. Okay, moving on to SUMIFS function. Now there is s added after f, as you can see here. It was SUMIF, it is SUMIFS. Okay, when we add s there, that means we can take multiple condition here. Okay, so now this SUMIF function will add all number in a range of cell based on multiple conditions. Okay, this was based on single condition. Now we will work on multiple condition. Let's start with two condition, basic two condition. Okay. Here I have region, customer name, item, unit sold to the customer, and what was the cost of item to customer. So here I have three set questions. So let's work on these questions. So first question says, find the cost of central region where cost is more than 300. So understand this question first. It says to find the cost of central region. Central region is my first condition, and then where the cost is more than 300. more than 300 is my second condition. So I have written down here the first condition, central region, and the second condition as more than 300. So let us see how this SUMIF function works. SUMIFs, then it says sum range. So in my previous formula, sum range was my third component. Here the sum range is my first component. This is my sum range. Then it says criteria range, then criteria. Now first condition is central region. Central region. Then my first criteria range will be region. This region criteria, what I want is central region. This is my central region. Then the second condition is the cost is more than 300. So my second criteria range will be cost, which should be more than 300. Okay, now I'm closing this bracket. Just simply enter. It says there is something wrong. So what's wrong in that? Okay, what has happened? First criteria range is central range. This is my center. First, this is region criteria. This region. My first condition is central range. Then my second criteria range is cost, and the cost is more than 300. Okay, then closing this bracket. This is how I get it. Simple. So now again I am copying this formula to make you understand easily. What I did first, I took the sum range first, then my first conditional range. My conditional range was region. After that I selected the region. Okay. After that second condition was cost. Cost should have been more than 300. So first I selected this criteria cost range, then the second condition more than 300. This is how my SUMIF function worked. So I hope you will be able to understand this, because further we are going to take multiple conditions. Okay, we will be increasing more conditions. So now second question. Find the sum of pencil units sold to kill. Understand this question. It says find the sum of pencil units. So here first condition is that item should be pencil and sold to kill. So the second condition is the customer should be kill. Okay, so let us see how we will do it. SUMIFs, my sum range. Sorry, here I have to find units now. So I will take units here. Then my first conditional range. What is my first conditional range? That sum of pencil unit. So I will take item as a conditional range, out of which I will select pencil as condition. Then I will select name as conditional range, out of which I will select kill as my customer. Okay, then closing this bracket. How easily I got it. You can cross verify, find the sum of pencil units sold to kill. Okay, first one, let's see how many entries are there for pencil. These are the entries of pencil units sold to Gill, and rest are binders. Okay, this one is also there. Rest one is for binder and for pen. If we count these units 12, 13 and 6, how much it comes as? It comes as 31. 12, 13 and 6. 12 plus 13, 25. 25 plus 6, 31. So I cross validated it. Okay, moving on further to 3 conditional SUMIFs. Now we have to apply 3 conditions in SUMIF function. How we will do that? Let us understand this question. My data is same, just question is different. Okay. Find the sum of pencil units sold to Gill in central region. So understand the question. Sum of pencil units. So item should be pencil. Should have been sold to Gill. First condition, item should be pencil. Should have been sold to Gill. Second condition is Gill should be my customer, and in central region. Central region is my third condition, that it should have been in central region. Okay, so here we have 3 conditions. How we will apply SUMIF function? Let's see. Method is same, only the conditions are increasing. Okay, so first my sum range will come. I have to find the pencil units, so I will take as units as my sum range. Then my first conditional range, item should be pencil, so I will take items as my first conditional range. Then out of which I will select item, that is pencil. Then my second conditional range is customer name. Customer name should be Gill. Then I will select Gill. Then my third conditional range is region should be central. So I will select region. Region, comma, central. It should have been central. Then closing the bracket and enter. Here I got that. Pencils unit I needed. It should have been sold to Gill, and it should have been in central region. Let's cross verify it. So these are the central regions which I am going to highlight. Okay, this is also the central region. I have only 2 entries. So if we sum up these 2 entries, our unit comes as 80. Okay, you can cross verify. This is how we can apply multiple conditions. So this was an example of 3 conditions. Let's moving on to our 4th type of SUMIFs. SUMIFs with wildcard. Okay, so here we can find the result with the help of wildcard as well. Okay. So if your question says that customer name should end with dine, like here, so our star mark, we will use a star mark. Star mark as a wildcard, that will be used first. Then whatever the letter it is asking me, that letter will come. So it says, for example, first let us understand the first question. Find the sum of sale for customer whose first name ends with dine in central region. Let us understand this question. Sum of sales for customer whose name ends with dine in central region. First condition is whose name ends with dine. Okay, this is my first condition, that customer name should end with dine. second condition, it should have been in central region. Okay, it should have been in central region. This is my second condition. Okay, if it says ands, then I will put star first, then whatever letter it is asking me, then those letters will come after that star. Okay, if it says that it should start with something, okay, if you look at the second question, find the sum of sales for customer whose name start with M. It says start with something M, like, then my letter will come first and then star will come in the later part. Okay, so this is very important to understand while using wildcard in your SUMIF function. Okay, so let's start with first question. Again, I'm reading this question. Find the sum of sales for customer whose name ends with dine in central region. So my first condition is customer name should end with dine. So I will use star dine here. Then my second condition is it should have been in central region. My second condition is central region. So let's start. SUMIFS. Formula will remain same. There is no change in the formula. Sum of sale we have to find. Okay. My sum range will come first. Then my first condition is customer name should end with star dine. This is my conditional range. First conditional range, out of which my condition is star dine should end with star, should end with dine. Okay, this is my first condition, comma. Now second condition is central region. This is my central region is my second conditional range, and out of which I have to select central. Okay, then closing the bracket. This is how I get it. Okay, let's cross verify this. The names ending with dine is Jardine. Okay, this is my customer, and the sale should have been in central region. Okay, this is my central region. I have to check this further. This is the second entry here. Okay, I have only two entries for Jardine with central region. Okay, so here what I had to find, I had to find sum of sale. My sum of sale is 921. Okay, let's calculate. $921.9 plus 121.4. That comes as, sorry, there is something wrong. This is my two entries with Jardine, central region, 921.6 plus 121.4. Here I get that. Why it is giving me in different? It's giving me in round figure. Okay. So if you look at these values, there are these are up to 2 decimal place. If you see here, 921.955, 921.55 plus second entry was this one, 121.38 plus 121.38. So it comes as 1042.93, which is very accurate here. This is how I get that result. I have cross validated it as well. Okay, moving on further. Question number 5. Find the sum of sale for customer whose name starts with M in West region for binder. So So the first condition is whose name should start with M. Customer name should start with M. Second condition is it should have been in West region, and third condition is it should have been for binder. So these all the three conditions are listed here. Now I just have to apply the formula SUMIFS. Then what I have to find is sum of sale. This is my sum range. Then my first conditional range name should start with M. So I will take it as M star. Okay. Then second conditional range central. So second conditional range is it should have been in West region. West region I have taken it. Now third conditional range binder. Item should be binder. So I have taken binder as a third condition. Now I'm just closing it. This is how I get it. Okay, again I will cross verify it. Okay, let's move on. First I want this decimal to go further to 2 place so that it should not give me any error. Okay. Now first I have to find what are the customers whose names start with M. These are the customers. These customers, there is only one name which starts with M, which is Morgan. Okay. Now, in this condition, what I have to find next? It should have been in West region, and it should have been for binder. This entry meets all the condition. There is one more entry, but this is for another region. That will not be found. So there is only single entry. So my sale amount is 961.89. So here I get that 961.89. So how easy it was? Very easy. So this is how I have explained 4 types of SUMIFS function. I hope you will be able to understand it. Thank you. Bye bye.